This is one of the simplest and fastest ogbono recipe you will find on YouTube. Yet it is so delicious. You follow this recipe, you are going to make yourself the best ogbono. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. Without further ado, let's get into cooking this ogbono soup. I have here boiled beef, ponmo and stockfish, and I'm going to throw that into the pot. I also have some smoked fish and of course the stock from boiling the beef. I have some chopped red scotch bonnet, that's atarodo, which is not enough, so I added some ground pepper, that's dry pepper, and enough water to cook this. Because my beef was already cooked, this will not take so long, about 10 to 15 minutes. I also added one stock cube because I already used beef stock. So I'll cover this and let it cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is a good time to add the ogbono, which I already mixed with the palm oil. Don't worry, I'm going to write the measurements in the description box, so please check it out. You can always substitute your protein for whichever one you like. Goat meat, assorted, dry fish. Use the ones that you like. If you like this recipe after watching it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a nice comment. Also subscribe to my channel to see many more of my delicious recipes. Adding some okra for color and for the goodness that vegetable brings, and of course my thinly sliced uziza leaves for flavor. I also added a bit of water because the ogbono soup was a little too thick and I wanted to thin it out a bit. Now I'm going to mix this thoroughly and just mix. This is going to cook for another 5 minutes so the vegetables can cook. To finish off this soup, I added 1 tablespoon of ground crayfish. If you have pre-cooked proteins, it just makes the soup come together so fast. Sometimes I don't even use beef or any meat type at all. I just used fish, and that way it still follows the same process. And that's it. 5 minutes later, our ogbono soup is ready, looking good, and everywhere is smelling so nice. I could not wait. I paired it quickly with some unripe plantain swallow. This was so good, and I assure you, if you make yours like this, you're going to enjoy it thoroughly. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe if you have not done that already. I will see you very soon with another fantastic recipe. Thank you again and have a great day. Bye bye.